person's wallet. You can actually spy on the person's wallet. So what you want to do is for the questions, I will be copying this address. So I will be copying this address. So for you to spy on this person's wallet, or excuse me. So okay, let me go to my let me use this wallet. Okay, you can see I actually approve the smart contract code. So for me to be able to monitor this wallet, so this is a recipient, so I will be copying his address. So all I need to do is to go to my settings. So once I'm on settings, click on this icon. So once I click on the icon, so I click on this plus icon. So once you click on the plus icon, so you click on I already have a wallet. So once you click on I already have a wallet, then you come to Smart Chain. You click on Smart Chain. So we will be monitoring this wallet. So once you click on Smart Chain, I know it's gonna be dark. It's gonna be dark. You're gonna see phrase, keystone, private key, address. So you're gonna be clicking on the address, the last one, the one I say code. So once you click on address, you'll be pasting the address you copied. So I will be pasting the address. So once you paste the address, you click on import. Click on the import button. So once you click on the import button, let's wait. Okay, you can see that we have successfully imported this wallet. You can see we have successfully imported this wallet. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. So like and subscribe. I will be releasing the tips on how to withdraw from Watch Wallet. So I will be dropping the software on how to withdraw from this Watch Wallet. So for you to get this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified, and turn the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video like this. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for the video. I'm going to make a video how to withdraw from Watch Wallet. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.